Yeah. Today first concept, how to maximize the window. Today first concept, how to maximize the window. So whenever you are working with Selenium, so for example, WebDriver wd equal new Firefox driver wd.get.http google.com. So whenever you are invoke the application, that we is minimized, minimize, it will open minimize application. So if you want to maximize the application, just wd dot manage dot window dot maximize. If you write maximize, then it will maximize the window. So it will open minimize. There is no option to minimize the window. You need to remember only one thing, only we have option in maximize. There is no minimize the window. There is no option to minimize the window. Whenever invoking the application, it will be minimized. So it is minimized. So it will maximize the window. That is the concept of how to maximize the window. Simple code. Simple code. WebDriver reference dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, that is the first concept. Next, second concept, how to get the title of the page. If you want to get the title of the page, simple. How to get the title of the page. Title. How to get the title of the page. So WebDriver wd equal new Firefox driver wd.get.http irctc.com string. I am storing in string, that name I am giving title equal to wd.getTitle. This is the one method. So system.out.println title. We can get the title of the page. Small, very important questions, important advanced concept. Nearly we have 30. So we will discuss all the concepts. What happened? http irctc.com. Problem loading page. Console result is problem is loading page. Okay, next we can get the title made actually. Okay, I am giving AkhilReddy.com, AkhilReddy.com, www.akhilreddy.com. Save, click on run. Yes, AkhilReddy.com is open. What is the title of the page? AkhilReddy Technologies testing tools training in Hyderabad. Okay, right. Page source. I want page source. PS page source. I'm writing. I want page source. So next www.getpagesource.com. Get page source. Getpagesource.com. We can get the page source now. Source code, madam. Source code. PS. Save. Click on done. Next concept, how to get the page source. Simple method. Searching PS equal to wd.getPageSource system.out.println PS. Yes, this is the page source of my website. This is the source code. All right. Next concept. How to count the number of drop down boxes on page using Selenium WebDriver. How many drop down boxes in the application we can find out using this concept. Simple. Here you need to remember only one thing, madam. Each and every drop down boxes button, it is different. So WebDriver WD equal to Firefox driver wd.get_http facebook.com list web element drop down buttons equal to wd.find_element by tag name. Tag name I'm giving. If it is drop down boxes, that type is select. That type is select. Just once go to Facebook. Here you need to remember, madam, each and every button drop down boxes different code is there, but small thing, but it is very important. facebook.com. Yes, drop down boxes. Drop down boxes, how many drop down boxes we have in this page? One day, month, year. So this is the select we are taking. If it is drop down boxes, we need to take select. Okay, so tag name I'm giving, madam, here. Tag name list web element drop down buttons wd.find elements by tag name. Find elements, here I'm using find elements, madam. Okay, up to here we discussed only find element. If you want only single XPath, single button or web element XPath, we will use find element. But here we want a number of drop down boxes, so that's the reason we are using find elements by tag name select system.out.println total drop down boxes plus on drop down buttons dot size. Drop down buttons dot size list java.util web element what you open pure Selenium. So right, save, click on run. How many drop down boxes we have in page? 3. So we can get 3. This is for only for drop down boxes. We will use select by tag name select. You need to remember select. If it is drop down boxes, we will use tag name select. If it is drop down boxes, we will use tag name select. Right, drop down boxes is 3. Right, next, radio buttons. How many radio buttons on page? Radio boxes, male or female, that is the radio web radio buttons. Yes, WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver wd.get_http facebook.com list web element radio boxes equal to wd.find elements by tag by XPath. So find elements I'm using. Find elements, I want number of drop down box, sorry, number of radio boxes. So why I'm using input, just to unit. Whenever using find elements, that time we will use one XPath, madam. This is final, madam. Double slash input at the rate type equal to radio. At the rate type equal to radio. Why I'm writing radio? Just wait. So here type is radio. Type is radio. That's the reason I'm writing type. So we can get the how many radio boxes in the application? Just we can get 2 buttons. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. So here you need to find elements XPath is number of elements XPath is just like we need to write double backslash input at the rate type equal to radio. All right. Next, How to count number of buttons in the applications. Number of buttons. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Here simple we are writing find elements button. The type is button. So wd.getHTTP facebook.com list web element button equal wd.find elements by tag name by xpath button I am giving system.out.println buttons dot button size. How many buttons in the page? Facebook 2, login 1 and sign up 1. Answer is 2. Buttons is 2. Alright. How to count number of text boxes in the application. The WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver wd.getHTTP google.com list web element text boxes equal wd.find elements. Here also I am using find elements by xpath. I am giving xpath double slash input type equal to text. System.out.println text boxes dot size. Save, click on run. How many text boxes in Google search box? Only 1. Only 1. Alright. How to count number of check boxes in the application? Check boxes. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver wd.getHTTP telugumatrimony.com list web element check boxes equal wd.find elements by xpath. Same xpath madam. Find elements I am using double slash input to type equal to check box. System.out.println check boxes dot size. How many check boxes in telugumatrimony.com? Telugu matrimony. One is 1 and 2. How many madam? 2. One is this keep login. Second one is I have and agree the terms. So we have to save, click on run. Checkboxes is 2. Right. How to work with Internet Explorer? Madam, you know madam, if you know ID, we can get the XPath madam. Max we can high 90% we can guess the XPath. Got it ma? If it is Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, we can work with very comfortable madam. Okay. If you know ID, just if it is any application, if it is any browser, right click, just observe carefully madam. You right click, inspect element. So we can get the inspect. If you want any ID, so this is profile ID registered by, and this name ID is name. If it is login ID, username ID, we can get the ID. If you know the ID, then max we can write the XPath madam. So using, if it is any browser, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, right click, inspect element. So we can write, if you know the ID, we can get the XPath madam. and I will install a latest version of Internet Explorer, and I will show you. Now, how to get the screenshot of the page? WebDriver equal to new Firefox driver.get.http google.com file f equal to take screenshot, import the statements here, very important. File java.io, take screenshot, what you open QS Selenium, output type, what you open QS Selenium, file utils, calmness, and F. Just we can get the screenshot of the page and taking Google, so we can get the screenshot. Go and check in D drive. Go and check in D drive. D colon screenshot. This is the screenshot, madam. All right. We can get the screenshot, madam. And the next concept, how to get the text from web element. WebDriver wd equal new Firefox driver wd.get.http facebook.com web element reference name element I am giving wd.find element by id I am giving id. So system.out.println element.get text, we can give the XPath also, whatever it is. So we can get the text, create an account. I think I gave XPath is create an account XPath. Create an account. We can get the simple, just web element equal wd.find element by id I am giving. Get text method I am using here, get text. In QTP this is the concept, text output value. You know QTP, madam? Yes. Now next concept, how to get the web element height and width. WebDriver wd equal new Firefox driver wd.get.http google.com dimension. Here I am using new word dimension. This is the predefined method. Dimension, that reference name I am giving a small dimension. wd.find element by id I am giving id. This is the Google search box id, something Google search box. Get size, width and height we can get here. Save, click on run. console. Width is 484, 80 is 38. And next concept, how to move page down and page up. So here we are using simulating the keyboard operations using Selenium. This option we are using page down and page up. WebDriver wd equal new Firefox driver wd got http wikipedia.org. So web element equal wd dot find element by CS selector. Total we are concentrating on total application body. That time we will use CSS selector. So page down element send keys dot page down, page up keys dot page up. So I am giving wait statement 3 seconds. So it will show you page down and page up everything. If you want to concentrate on total page, that time we will use CSS selector and we are giving the name body. This is the page up, this is page down. This is page up and page down. Zoom in, zoom out. So addition subtraction we will use here. Addition subtraction. Yes. WebDriver wd equal new Firefox driver. Same Wikipedia I am taking. I am writing try block for int I equal 0, I less than 10. So 10 times it will show you big size. And here I am doing addition. I am adding. And next subtract. And subtraction I am doing. So it will show you big size and at the same time small size also. Why it is showing error? Started one now. No need to our okay. All right. I didn't read catch. Okay, we can get zoom in and zoom out. Try catch already we discussed, right? Addition steps. We can do it, madam. Without try and catch also we can do it. No need of try and catch here. Zoom 10 times. Zoom out. Only using this concept only. Okay, using this simulating the keyboard operations only we can do it, madam. Otherwise we don't have any other options. Whenever you are working with the Selenium, we have two options. One is click, other one is send keys. So using this simulating the keyboard operations, we can do page down, page up, and zoom in, zoom out. And if you want to open the new window, next to how to open the new window, I think. How to select the total text? Control A. So here also we will use Control A. Even if you want to select the total text, so actually in real life also we will use Control A. Save. Using Selenium we can do these operations. It will select the total content of the page. Here also CSS selector I am using. Why? Because I am total concentrating on body. Control A. Right. How much time taking the page? How much time taking to load the page? We can, using this Selenium we can find out. In QTP we have an option. That concept is called measuring transactions. Measuring transactions. In QTP we have one concept, measuring transactions. How much time taking an application to perform a specific task. So here also we have an option. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Long I am taking time is long. Start time is 600, current time milliseconds, and after the finish time milliseconds, and the total time is finish time minus start time. So we can get the total time, how much time taking an application to perform a or load the page. It will give milliseconds also. Page load time is 2985 seconds. Milliseconds, madam. Millis. How to select the checkbox using Selenium? How to check the checkbox? If it is Facebook, we have checkbox is there, so we need to select the checkbox using Selenium. Facebook select box we need to select. Without using this try and catch also we can select, madam. Just we need to click. Okay, no need of this code. Okay, directly we can use click. Only for richness, only for richness we are using this try and catch, otherwise no need. Yes, it is selected. Got it, ma? Number of images, same image tag name, image. We can get the number of images. Number of web elements, same to same. Text path we can give here only slashes. Number of, here we are using number of elements. If you want elements we are using only slash. Links also same. So control A, we can select the all the how to find the all the links on the page. We will use tag name A. And how to find out the current date, year, time, seconds, hours, everything we can get using Selenium. Here WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Date format java.text. Simple date format java.text. Date java.text. Date java.util. Right, current date, time, everything we can get here. Year, month, date, hours, milliseconds. 2016 February 12th 9 11 54. 55 56. 05 only. 05. 2016 February 12th 9 o'clock 11 minutes 5 seconds. How to find element is enabled or not? We can use this code and we can enable or not, we can find out, madam. Easy code. And how to open the new window? This is very important concept. So how to open the new window? Already one window is open. So if you want to open the extra window, we will use this code. New window open. So control N. If you if you use control N in your keyboard, it will open the new window. Or control N. Yes, it is open the new window. Control N. Go to any window. Control N. It will open the new window. Right? Okay. Here Selenium also it will open the new window. Next. Last concept. Open that extra window and close the window using Selenium. Last concept in this advanced concept. How to open the new window and close the window. So I'm opening Google. Next I want to open Facebook. I want to close the window. Control T, new window. Control W. Control T. Just try it. Control T. It will open the new window. Control T. Yes. Control W. Close. Okay. That is keyboard operation. Save. No need. Save. Click on run. Tomorrow I will show you Selenium life cycle, madam. Tomorrow I will show you Selenium ID. Marks not important, madam. No need. Why we are learning ID? Tomorrow I will tell you. It will open the new window and close the window. Okay, that is the concept. These are the advanced concepts, madam. And how to work with Firefox, how to work with Google Chrome, I will teach you. And some important concepts, important concepts is there, I will teach you. Okay, madam. This is today's session, madam. Tomorrow we have class at same time. If it is any changes tomorrow Saturday, na. If it is any changes, I will call you, ma.